Hello guys, and today we're playing some Let's Go Shopping because, the last two videos that weren't memes were Blade and Sorcery, so it's time for a different VR game. Now, as you can see, I'm playing the demo. That's because, this is like a side quest game, if you don't know. And I wasn't gonna pay for a side quest game that I might not even like. I actually really like this game, so might actually buy the full version sometime soon. So let me show you all the stuff I got. Yeah, I basically got almost everything you can get. So we're just gonna play. We'll probably do like 2 rounds, cause yeah. And I'm really sorry for the upload schedule being so crappy. Because, something was going wrong with my Blade and Sorcery video. Like, the one I just uploaded. Was, when I was in a McDonald's. Shooting people. Yeah, for some reason, there was trouble with that. It wasn't, copyright trouble or... It was just, I had trouble uploading it. So... It took a while for me to actually figure out what I had to do to upload it. Then I found out what I needed to do. So, yeah. As you can see, I kind of know what I'm doing. Get off my freaking axe. Okay, what else do I need? One more can. Gun. As you can see, I'm bad at aiming in VR games. This can go for any game. Any game that really has guns. Oh yeah, if you watched the last Blade and Sorcery video, you would know. Sir, please get away from me. Hey, trying to take my bottle of water. Really like the concept of this game, even though it's pretty simple. I still like it. I mean, this is the early access demo, so it is a bit buggy, as you could see, with the cart kind of glitching with the sounds. Okay, let's try to kill this guy again. Okay, I thought I was trash at aiming. I was lying. Okay, see, we get $0. I want more money. I want money. Now we're back, except this time it's harder. Don't know what's up with that. What the hell? Is something over here? Oh no, just this stupid zombie. Get away from me. Grab my gun and load it. Okay, let's do something cool here. I was just trying to throw the knife out. Bonk. 2 of everything. Where's my fire axe? That's a gun mag. Why are you fast now? Just chop him up. Grab that, I guess. No. Get away. Okay, there we go. Oh crap. Get off my axe. First time I got hit, surprisingly. God damn it. No, give me the fucking axe. Give me the fucking... No, give me the fuck... Fuck. Give me this. Can you just go on my back? This time, let's just... Is it on there? Okay, now it's on there. I'll get it. Oh god, he's still alive. Oh. Okay, let's actually start doing what I'm supposed to do now. And not just kill zombies. Okay, where the fuck? How'd the list get out the cart? Crap, I dropped it. Get off. One hand this. Oh. Perfect. Okay, now I just need like 2 bottles of water and a bag of chips, something like that. I'm not left-handed. Bam. Okay. Time to make my way. Oh god! Ah! Get away! Get away! Chop his head off! Oh crap! No, my axe! No! Give me my freaking weird weapon! I can't just run him over. Perfect. Get away! Give me this. Give me this. Just put it there. Just kill this guy real quick. One of the fast ones is coming. I can just hear them. They make like they make a special sound. Yeah, they kind of like roar. Then they run fast, and then just gotta kill them like that. Thank you for pushing my cart to me. That was really nice of him. Perfect. Sorry for like the low amount of commentary. I'm mainly just focusing. Okay. Now let's get out of here. Crap, we don't have any else. Let's grab out. Ah, dang it, didn't hit him. Well, let's cash out. Why do I feel taller? Oh, I made $100 off that. Yeah, let's do that again. So, I'm gonna kind of just start talking now. I know random subject, but get away. Why do ghost houses in Mario games always have to be so confusing? Like, just, they're always confusing. Like, it doesn't even give you, like, hints on where to go. Like, if it gave you hints on where to go and what doors were real and stuff, then, it would be kind of fun, like a puzzle level. But it doesn't. It just makes you choose blindly about doors and stuff, and it's just irritating. And also, still on the topic of Mario ghost houses, and how come you can't make, and like Mario Maker 2, how come you can't make like fake doors for ghost house stages in Mario Maker 2? When like in the 2D Mario games, Nintendo places like fake doors that turn into like the coins or something when you try to go into them, but then they don't work, and then yeah. But in Mario Maker, you can't do that. I just kind of find that weird. And that was surprisingly quick. Okay, I'm just trying to be kind of cool there. Now, usually there's a fast one immediately. Oh, it's not here, I guess. Just get as much done to my cart before these fuckers come. Bonk. Bonk. The bonk always works. Why does it keep picking up the freaking match? And how did I hit that second headshot? See, I heard a fast one. So let's just kill this guy real quick. Then this fast one. See, there's the strategy. Hit him with the other body. Dang it, there's another fast one. Anything in this machine? No. I took off his arm. Why is there so many fast ones? I don't get it. Just come here, take the axe inside your body, Just die. How much health do I have? Where's the axe? Oh my god, my freaking best weapon. Nope. Come on, I need this. I need this. Ah, ah, get away. Bonk. Not really bonk, but kind of works. No, I'm gonna just hold my axe the whole time, so I got like... Oh my god, this is so annoying. Ow, get... Okay, what do I got? Like, 1 can of chips and... There's 1 can of chips. I got 1 bag of chips. 2 cans of beans. Come at me. Oh my god, there's like a fast one. Every single second. Oh! Not gonna lie, that was cool. I need 2 bottles. Oh god, he became a fast one. How is he even gonna attack me? He doesn't have arms. Oh, he can bite me, I guess. Just hit him in the balls. Away from me. There we go. Took longer than needed to. Oh my god, please stop with all these fast people. Look at my floppy axe. Okay. Back to the talking about random stuff. I really think there should be... Oh, I think my tracking's messed up. Oh god! Oh god! Get out the ground! Get out the freaking ground! Is that dude still alive or is his body glitching? I can't tell. Oh, his body was glitching. I think my tracking's messed up. My tracking's messed up. I knew I wasn't this tall. That's why it's hard to grab stuff off the floor. These can open. Okay, I'll just have to deal with messed up tracking. You know what? Just stay on the... Okay, well, there goes my plan. Come at me, bro. I got 4 bags of chips. I mean, no, I got 3. Now I got 4. Oh, how many cans did I need? 3. I got 3. Just need 1 more bottle, then I can go. Come on, pick up the freaking bottle. Okay. Okay. It's time to go. Wait, I don't even care about the axe anymore. I'm using the one-handed weapon now. Okay, they're coming. Wait, did I? Okay, yep, I did. I missed all of those except for that one guy. Oh, I hit him. Well, hope you liked today's video. I did, but it's my video, so it doesn't really matter, I guess. But I liked it personally, mainly because I like this game a lot. I've really been thinking I should buy it, but yep, God dang it. Hope you guys liked today's video. Sorry for the delay on all my uploads. And y'all have a nice day.